100. So this is a dog tracking GPS. It wirelessly connects to a special dog collar, and you can track wherever your dog goes. And this is for coon hunting. So this is a pretty nice little nifty GPS. So I reckon I'll go over how it's designed. On the front here is the screen. It is fully touch screen. And even though when it's turned off it looks like a vacuum tube display, it is actually a LCD display, but it'll trick you when it's turned off. Up on the front it's got these 3 buttons, which I'll be showing you what that's for. And on the top here, this is the nub that picks up the dog collar, and this is the main GPS antenna. So it's mostly black, and then it has hunting orange plastic along the contours. On the back you got a belt clip. Right here you can turn this metal latch, and that reveals the lithium-ion battery. Now this is a fully waterproof GPS. Under this flap here is a micro USB port for charging it and for hooking it up to the computer, which we haven't actually done yet. And on the side is the power button. So of course we're going to boot this thing up. I'll show the Garmin logo. Zoom in so you can see the screen better. Okay, so we're in the main menu, and like I said, it is touch screen. And so if we click up here, we can go into the map, and it hasn't picked up the current location that I'm at right now, but it's showing data from the last time we hunted. So the turquoise little colored line is where we've driven our vehicle, and the dark blue line, or I think I'll have to see there in a minute. Oh, the green line is where the dog walked. I forgot what color it was. I thought it was dark blue. So as you can see here, according to this, our dog, whose name is Blade, if you can see it there, focus that camera. When you can put in the name for your dog, and our dog's name is Blade, so Blade walked erratically around this tree. I mean, he is a very crazy dog. He just likes to run in circles. And as you can see, I'm getting mixed up here. As you can see, the light blue turquoise colored line is where we drove the truck, and that is where we had our truck marked so we could walk into the woods. Up until we got this, we were using a Garmin back tracker, which is this little compass thing, and you can mark the location of the truck, and then when you want to go back, it will show just a single arrow pointing where your truck is and the compass direction you're walking in. So like I said, it hasn't picked up where I am right now. It's just got stuff from the last hunt. It's also got some other neat things. It has a compass, in which it does have the directions. And if you're wondering why I can't find the dog, it is because the collar is turned off and charging out in another building in our yard. So there's also little stuff. I think a little bit of it's unnecessary. You got to wear to, which I see what that is. You got a trip computer, the compass, elevation plot. You can put in contacts for some reason. Share wirelessly. These GPSs kind of have a little system where you can connect to other GPSs, like some little messages and stuff. Proximity alarms, waypoint manager, route planner, track manager, active route, area calculation, calendar, the sun and moon calendar, hunting and fishing calendar, man overboard alert. Like I said, it's for where you can wirelessly connect. The stopwatch, waypoint averaging, sight and go, satellite, and some weird little thing called a verb remote, which is a bit weird. And I swear if this camera does not focus, maybe it would help to bring this in, zoom this out. Okay, that helps a lot. Now, what the three magical, mystical buttons at the top are is for a shotgun collar. So you can adjust by numbers what power operates at. The minimum is 4, so you can see the maximum is 18. And all you have to do is, I believe, you can just hold down this button, and that's what activates it. I don't know what M and T are. There's something strange. And, well, I must say that's pretty much everything that this compass has. But it is, I meant to say GPS, but other than that, it is very neat, and I do like it. I'm usually the one holding it and finding the dog. Usually a way I like to do it is I'll go into the compass, and usually this little arrow here is showing like what direction the dog is in whenever the compass is, whenever the collar is working, of course. I keep getting my speech mixed up. I don't know why I keep thinking that word. And then usually what I'll do is I'll just keep turning my whole body around until the arrow matches up with north, and then I know that's just the direction that I need to go. And then I'll just use the map to navigate the rest of the way, you know. But yes, it is a very nifty GPS. If you want a simple little GPS to navigate and to track your hunting dog, if you're coon hunting or squirrel hunting or whatever, this really is the thing to get. This is really cool. Very neat GPS. It's waterproof. I believe it's even life proof, but it is very neat. So you can also press the power button here, and it will show the battery percentage, the signal, and the brightness. And here you can adjust the brightness. 50 is about good for this one. And you can also lock the screen so the screen doesn't so something in your pocket won't press it, is what I mean to say. So that'll happen. But then to unlock it, you just tap the power key again and then click unlock. And to cut it off, you just hold down the power button. So I hope you like my overview of this GPS. It is truly very cool. And I will see you later.